If you need to delete a response in SurveyMonkey, this video will walk you through the process step by step. Whether you're cleaning up test submissions, removing duplicate entries, or deleting a response that was entered by mistake, this quick tutorial will show you exactly what to do. And before we jump in, if this video helps you out, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more helpful software tutorials just like this one. Now let's get into it. First, go to SurveyMonkey and sign into your account if you haven't already. Once you're on the SurveyMonkey homepage, look for the survey that contains the response you want to remove. Click on the survey to open it and access its data. After that, find and click on Analyze Results. This is where SurveyMonkey stores all of your response data and reporting tools. Inside the Analyze Results section, look for the Individual Responses area. This section lets you review each submitted response one by one instead of seeing them all in a summary chart. Click on Individual Responses to view the list of responses tied to your survey. Once the response list opens, locate the specific response you want to delete. You may need to scroll through the entries or open the response details if necessary. When you found the response, click on Delete. SurveyMonkey will show you the option to remove that entry. From there, click on Delete Response to confirm that you want to permanently remove it from the survey results. Be careful at this stage, because deleting a response cannot usually be undone. So before you confirm, make sure you have selected the correct submission. If you're managing survey data for a team or a client, it's always a good idea to double check the response before deleting anything. And that's it. Once you confirm, the response is removed from SurveyMonkey. It's a simple process, but knowing where to find it can save you time when you're managing survey results. If this tutorial helped you, please like this video and subscribe to the channel for more easy step-by-step guides on SurveyMonkey and other software tools. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.